SkyDrive has reached an important milestone with its SD-05 flying car, successfully completing stable flights at 100 kilometers per hour. While that speed is impressive, the bigger achievement is what happened during the test. The aircraft proved it could handle real aerodynamic forces, vibrations, and structural stress exactly as engineers predicted. That's the kind of evidence aviation regulators need before an aircraft can move closer to commercial approval. The SD-05 takes a very different approach from many other electric air taxis. Instead of using wings or tilting rotors, it relies on 12 independent rotors controlled by a central flight computer. The aircraft carries one pilot and 2 passengers, making it ideal for short trips across busy cities. Right now, it can fly about 15 kilometers on a charge, with future battery improvements expected to push that range to 30 or even 40 kilometers. This simple wingless design could offer some major advantages. It needs less space to take off and land, and its simpler mechanical layout could reduce maintenance compared to more complex competitors. At the same time, every flight test is helping engineers explore territory that hasn't been fully tested before. SkyDrive says the latest results matched its computer simulations, giving the company more confidence as it works towards certification. The SD-05 has already completed hundreds of test flights, along with extensive testing of its batteries, motors, rotors, and wind tunnel performance. All of that data will support its application with aviation regulators. Competition in the air taxi industry is growing fast, with companies around the world developing their own electric aircraft. While some focus on longer commuter routes, SkyDrive is betting that short city-to-city hops will become a major part of future transportation. Reaching 100 kilometers per hour is another big step forward, but plenty of work remains. The company will continue testing the aircraft in different speeds and conditions as it builds the safety data regulators require. SkyDrive is still aiming to launch commercial operations in 2028, although that timeline depends not only on engineering progress, but also on how quickly aviation authorities approve this new generation of aircraft.